Macy gang. As you can see, we're back with our beautiful tree. And this intro is being led by me, the star. My second and third cousin come in.
Yay! So, as the host said, he's the host, Baby D's the star, and I guess I'm just, a fill-in. They just tossed me to the side like a stepchild or something.
Yep, according to Caden.
But according to Caden, y'all, did y'all subscribe to according to Caden or according to CICELY? Drop me a comment. Because this co-host over here, he's taking it to the head.
Yes.
So, tonight, we are going to go ahead and get our living room tree all nice and decorated for y'all. The first video was how to decorate a pencil tree, which you should have watched. Right, Caden?
Yes, it is in the kitchen to our right.
It's that away. Now we're going to do the main tree, which is in our living room. This is you tell them, Booski Boots. Our main tree is a 7.5. Booski, let me talk. Our main tree is a you. Baby D has learned how to point, y'all.
Yeah, Baby D, you, mister. Yeah, you.
Okay, so this is a 7.5 foot tree. It is flocked, as my boyfriend likes to say. It's full of asbestos. He's a hater. So, what we're going to do is go ahead and flip the camera around, get this tree nice and decorated for you all. So, grab your hot chocolate, grab a snack, some ornaments, and let's do this. So, Caden, if they want to see how we transform this tree, what do they got to do?
Gotta like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.
So before we get too far into fluffing this tree, let me stop and introduce myself for anyone that is new to our channel. Hello, my name is CICELY. I am a disabled mother of 2 young boys. I'm disabled by way of sickle cell anemia. That is an inherited blood disorder. So I felt it was important to just make content showing the world that if I can get up and get through life, through hospitalizations and sickle cell crisis, I want to encourage you that you can do it too, no matter what's going on. You can do it and we can do it together. So I like posting content such as vlogs, home decor, organization, DIYs, and sometimes I do a little bit of cook with me videos. So if that sounds like something you're interested in and you like to follow my family's journey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Come on, we'd love to have you. But don't forget about the notification bell so you know anytime we post a new video. All right, y'all. Back to this tree. So of course we had to just take the time and go row by row and fluff the tree. We always like to start from the bottom and go up to the top. 30 minutes in and ding dong, it was Grubhub time. So y'all know we had to stop and take a nice little Christmas Chinese style dinner and a movie break. So we're using our cute little Target plates and watching my boyfriend's favorite Christmas movie, which is, you guessed it, Die Hard. So now that we got that out the way, let me just show you guys the ornaments that we are working with and we can get to it. The satin, and then we have different shades of blue and silver. These are our specialty ornaments. The furry one is also specialty. All of our picks are on the table, and then our ribbon is in the middle. I actually think I'm gonna go ahead and start with the ribbon. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and let you guys see what we come up with. Booski. Hey, look at that belly. Put your shirt down, boy. Put your shirt down, boy.
doing some beautiful ribbon stuff. Oh, that's good. It was really cute, but you guys can't really see down here, but Baby D was holding this ornament and touching the tree, trying to hang it up. It's really cute. Give our attention back to movie. I'm gonna be down here though playing with Baby D.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside.
So look at what my boys were doing when I wasn't watching. Caden places his ornament. He notices his brother trying to mess with it, and he was like, nope, you're not touching my ornament. And he moved it to a safe location. My poor baby. And then look at Daniel looking like, hey, where'd my ornament go? The supervisor stayed watching, y'all.
I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so
Booski, you trying to take my balls off the tree? Huh? I seen that little hand.
Exposed.
Yeah, you.
Exposed.
Hey guys, so once you're done with your regular bulbs, just use some of your specialty ornaments to fill in some of the gaps. You can also push down on the branches as you see here to close some of those spaces as well. I'm just showing Caden how to place the ornaments back in the tree to fill in some of the gaps. So you'll see once I zoom the camera in, the only ornaments that we hang from the ends of the branches are these blue icicles so that they'll stand out. The rest of your ornaments you want to kind of tuck back into the tree so that they're kind of peeking out. You don't want them hanging from the ends. Pushing them back just gives them a more professional look. So right here, I'm just showing you the letters I picked up from the Target dollar spot about a year or two ago. I always like to add something special like our initials, how I did in the kitchen tree, or this year I am adding the word joy. Okay, y'all, it's time for me to get the pics on the tree and we will be done. If you're still rocking with me, go ahead and leave me a Christmas tree emoji in the comments and give this video a big thumbs up if it's giving you any inspiration. It really helps out my channel. So right here, I just put the gold pick to the side because it was the only one. And also there's a pink pick on the table. I'll put picks that just have one or two to the side to accentuate the garland that'll go on the stairwell. And then picks that have between 3 and 5, I'll go ahead and put them in categories so I know to use the small picks throughout the tree, and then the longer picks that have more variety will go in the top of the tree as part of my tree topper.
The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I
Guys, because these picks can get very pricey, I get them after the season, but I'm showing you right here. If you only have a couple, that's fine. These are joined together as one bush, and then you can pull them apart. I'm just trying to show you the seam right here where I ripped it apart. It does not damage them. So go ahead and pull them apart and make, you know, 2 or 3 picks out of one, and then you get more bang for your buck. So now that I have them all pulled apart, I'm going to just put them sporadically all across the tree, and I like to stack my picks one on top of the other to give a nice layered effect.
I've been longing for you, just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk, and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away.
So the last thing I want to do is add a little bit more texture and definition. So I pop my silvery branches in half, and I'm putting them throughout the tree in the top 2/3 because that's the part where the eye is drawn, and the longer branches I'm using in the top as a topper. So all right, you guys, it's time for the reveal. Baby D, what you doing? Huh? Bust. No.